quick informational video here. I was getting a loud screech on startup every time I would start the van. Thought it was pulley on the serpentine on my Sienna. Turns out it was the Harmonic balancer. So there's this rubberized seal or rubberized ring here between these two rings, the pulley and this inside diameter. That went bad on this old one, and it allowed this outside diameter to move somewhat. So when I would start the van, I would get a loud screech. And you can see right there where the rubber used to be attached to that diameter, it's no longer. And the wheel itself has shifted, and when the van would run, these pulleys would shift on this diameter. So you can see the new one, everything is flush, uniform, how it's supposed to be, and that rubberized ring is connected to both diameters. This was causing the screeching. This will fix the screeching. So if you're getting that, you've tried everything else, it might be your Harmonic balancer. Let's see if that took care of the screech. Smooth as a whistle. Everything on the serpentine belt is running, no noise.